body develops, replaces old cells with new cells, and repairs itself with the help of cells that constantly multiply by dividing. The process begins in the cell nucleus. Identical copies of DNA molecules organize into chromatid pairs within the chromosome structure. These pairs are connected to each other at the chromosome's centromere. In the next steps, spindle fibers attach to the centromeres, and the chromatids line up along the cell's midline. The chromatids are then pulled apart. A nuclear membrane forms around the two exact sets of DNA and eventually cleaves. The process through which a cell divides the genetic information and instructions within its nucleus into two exact sets within independent nuclei is called mitosis.